The image CSS data type represents a two-dimensional image. An image data type can be represented with any of the following: an image denoted by URL, a gradient data type, a part of the web page defined by element function, an image fragment or solid patch of color defined by the image function, a blending of two or more images defined by crossfade function, a selection of images chosen based on resolution defined by image set function. Out of all this, we will focus on using the URL and gradient. In our code sample, we have used the URL function to set the background image. Another way to set the value of the image is to use a gradient. Now, a gradient is a special type of image that consists of a progressive transition between two or more colors. You should have seen this somewhere else before. You can notice that in the code we have two RGB values. Don't worry, you wouldn't need to memorize the creation of gradients because there are tools that can help you generate this. So there are tools that you choose the color you want and it gives you the gradient's CSS value. For example, there is a website called CSS Gradients that you can use to generate gradients quickly. And all you do is to copy the generated gradient code into your code. You can also edit the gradient in WebStorm and probably any other IDE or text editor you are using.